Welcome to Eureka Math. I'm Mr. Shankel. I'm going to be helping you today with Module 3, Lesson 28. That must mean it's time to get started. All right. Here we go. We're going to use this table, which will be on the test, to help us figure out how to do percentages and so forth. I want you to look at the percent saved box. The percent saved will help us. If we use that percent, it's going to help us find the amount saved, which is this amount of discount. So those two columns are related. We use the percent saved to help us find the amount of discount and vice versa. Let's also look at, let me change this so I get a different highlighter. Let's look at the percent paid. That percentage is going to find us the amount paid, which is the sales price. So those two columns are related. And then finally, let's look at this box right here. The original price. The original price is a whole. It's the whole cost, the entire thing. So when we set up part to whole ratios, we're going to remember that the original price is a whole. The sales price is the part that we pay, and the amount of discount is the part that we pay. So those two are parts. So we'll keep that in mind as we're solving these as well. All right, so here we go. What they gave me for the television, so let's look at the television first. They gave me the original price, so that's a whole, and then they gave me a percent. Well, the percent is in itself a part to whole ratio. The part is 40, the whole is 100, and it's 100 because percent means per 100. So 40 out of 100, and there's our part to whole ratio. We're going to set that equal to, again, the part to whole ratio. Well, the part, if I use the percent saved, the part I'm going to find is the amount of discount. But I don't know what that is, so I'm going to leave the part, the upper part of my fraction here, I'm going to leave that blank. The whole, which would be the bottom part, I know is 1,600. So there we have our part to whole ratio is equal to another part to whole ratio. And now I look for a constant. In this one, I do have one. It's a nice one. All I have to do is multiply by 16 to change 100 into 1,600. So if I multiply 40 into 40 by 16, then I will get my answer. 40 times 16 is 640. And again, that's the part that I save. So that goes here. Part that I save is 640. And I know that it's the part that I save because I used the percent pay that I saved in my problem. Okay? Now, if the original price was 1,600 and I'm not paying 640, then I just subtract, find the amount that I am paying, which is going to be $960. So that goes there. And then one last thing, we need the percent paid. Well, I know that if I am saving 40%, I am paying the other 60% out of the total of 100%. So there's my there is the information for the television. Let's do the sneakers. Now I'm gonna see if this works. I'm gonna try to take. Oh well, let me try that again. I'm gonna try to take this table with me, and let's see if we can do that through the magic of the lasso here. Looks like we can do that. Copy it. bring it over here, and I want to paste it. Well, what do you guys think? Doesn't look good, does it? Let's try. Let's cancel that, and let's try again. I'm going to get my photo back, and we just won't have the answer from the first one. That's okay. All right, so here we go. Here's our problem again. We're going to work on the sneakers this time. And again, remember, we've got amount of discount and percent saved. Those are connected. And we also have the, let me get a different highlighter here. Sales price and percent paid are connected. All right. So let's see. We've got $75 sales price. That's the part. And I have the percent paid. And those two are connected. So I'm going to use those in my part to whole ratio. So 80%, that means 80 per 100, is equal to the part to whole ratio. The sales price is the part, so that's a 75. And the whole, I don't know. So here's our part to whole ratio. We've got a problem here. 80 doesn't turn into 100 easily, and 75 doesn't turn into 80 easily. So we need to make a double number line. Well, I'm gonna do that over here. Let's see if we can make it fit. So there's a number line. Here's a number line. This will be 0%. This over here will be 100%. And then I want to get 80% in there, so I'm going to do it by tens. So that's 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, there's 50, and then 60, 70, 80, 90, that's there. So the one I'm interested in is right here at 80%. Remember, this is 0%. This down here is 100. And so 80 is what I'm really interested in. And at 80%, I know that the answer in our dollars is $75. So, wow. Okay, $75. That kind of looks like a 5. So I have from, let me use a highlighter here. From here all the way to there, that's worth 75. Well, that's 8 lines. So 75 divided by 8 is 9.375. I know that every line is worth 9.375. Well, I've got 10 lines. So 10 lines times 9.375 is $93.75. Okay, because all I really care about is what is the whole, what's the entire amount. So for the sneakers, the entire amount is $93.75. So that goes there. Now, if I'm paying $93.75, if that's the original price, and I'm paying $75 of that, how much am I not paying? Well, I just subtract. $93.75 minus 75 is $18.75. And then the last thing we need is the percent that I saved. If I'm paying 80%, it means I'm saving 20%. Remember, those two have to add up to be 100. So there's the sneakers. Again, we're writing a part to whole ratio. We've got part to, let me get another one here, part to whole, and that is matched by our part to whole here. And as long as we can do that and then find a constant, we'll be able to find the missing piece. Okay, let's stop there. I'm going to make another video for the video games and the MP3 player. We'll get through as many as we can. We'll see you again next time.